60 grams oats, 50 milliliters water. Mix and leave for 10 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 50 milliliters water. Mix it well and leave for 15 minutes. One tablespoon coconut flakes. Add 80 milliliters water. Mix. One medium-sized apple. If you like my video, please share with your family and friends. Cut into small pieces. Transfer into a bowl. 1 mango. Peel and cut into small pieces. Take a bowl and add soaked oats, coconut water, apple pieces. Mix it well. One tablespoon honey. Mix. Leave for 5 minutes. Add mango pieces. Add oats mixture. Mango pieces. After soaking, thanks for watching.